What's up, guys? It's me, Sanaa. Day 300 something. Wait. 4. Day 362? Oh shit. We almost done. I'm just sitting there eating a sandwich, listening to I, one of the best, one of the little groups that never got out there. Pete Rock, Soul Brother, he's pretty good. In my writing comp class, we had to make goals for ourselves. 1 year, 5 year, 10 years in life goals. And you know what? That's really something everybody needs to do. You need to sit down one time, take like an hour and think about your life, your future, you know what I mean? Because I was sitting there, I was like, oh man, there's things I want to do, and there's things like I say I want to do, and there's things I really want to do. You know what I mean? Like go to E3 and put flowers on my grandpa's grave and stuff, and learn to green and there's stuff like, I want to go to Mexico, I want to go to South America and stuff like that, but the stuff like you really want to do and stuff you really want to do. So that's what I'm just saying. Look at your goals for yourself. Think of your goals, so really what you want to accomplish in the next 50 to 60 years, and try to do it, because you only get one life. Peace out to the camera.